I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your private Wi-Fi address settings within the network that you're connected to on your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up our settings app. Then we'll go to our Wi-Fi settings. Then we're going to click the eye icon next to our Wi-Fi. Now look for private Wi-Fi address. As you can see at the moment, it is selected to rotating. That is most common. A rotating private address reduces tracking by periodically changing this device's Wi-Fi address on this network. Basically, if someone's trying to track the devices on this Wi-Fi network for some reason, it's going to rotate your Wi-Fi address to give you a little bit more privacy. But if you want to change that, we can select that and you can have this turned to off and then allow tracking. Or you can choose fixed, which obviously it's not rotating. You're going to keep the same Wi-Fi address and it's going to be a little bit less safe, I guess, or a little bit less secure, but it just depends on what your uses may be. So now you know how to do that. Now you're all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.